Michelle Posey from District 3. We should all get used to book challenges because they're here to stay. It's not really about parents. It's about making sure that our taxpayers are not funding porn or CRT. And I thought it was interesting because if you look back at who the author is of this book, I had sent this to you guys as well. Something that he had written says this, in the book, the only remedy to racist discrimination is more racist discrimination. The only remedy to past discrimination is present discrimination. The only remedy to present discrimination is future discrimination. I would just like to move on from discrimination altogether because I think we all live pretty peacefully together. The book publisher, Hatchet Book Group, which is the largest trade publisher in the United States, said this, the adults might enjoy this book as a captivating introductory text into the larger genre of critical race theory. Critical race theory isn't a bad thing to study. It's not a bad thing to talk about. We were talking about the appropriateness of it being in our schools with children that are minors. So get used to it because it's here to stay. I thought it's kind of funny that we're talking about wasting dollars because that mask mandate was pretty expensive, wasn't it, Mr. Edwards? To be honest, people here are making the case for universal school choice, not the current HB1 that's on the book, something more robust. Imagine parents getting their own tax dollars and mom and dad being the committee members. Problem solved. I wanted to also let you know that the community that elected you and worked so hard for that also stands behind you, but the complete rejection of those SCTA, Sarasota County Teachers Association, endorsed school board candidates in this last election should provide the information that we, the people of this district, will not condone bureaucracies and non-government organizations hijacking the Sarasota County education system. We believe, we stand united, that Sarasota should be an example of that shining beacon on a hill that Reagan spoke about 35 years ago. Here's a little tip. I think we should just record the IEP and let SCTA and Barry Dubin just throw a fit, and maybe we can ask Mr. Edwards how we work under the radar within the district to get it done anyway. We elected you bright minds in the school board dais, and we believe in your ability to create local policy. So I'm asking that you terminate the national think tank contract with Neola and create policies locally. Now, the current board legal representation will say that's not a good move, which is why they need to be the next contract that you terminate. Bringing all interagency agreements into the sunshine for the people to see, audit their books, and bring complete transparency of how lucrative our district has been to them. Then do an accounting of the return on investment they have provided and terminate the contracts accordingly. Lastly, all remnants of DEI need to respectfully, DIE, it's, public, we need to also publicly announce the disbanding of the equity committee that met outside the sunshine. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry. Chloe Boggs.